Hey Psych2Goers, have you been feeling tired all the time recently? Perhaps you've been feeling more drained and exhausted lately compared to in the past and don't know why. There are a number of reasons that could contribute to a lack of energy, and some may be affecting you without you knowing it. So if you're curious to know what they could be, here are 5 things that are depleting your energy. Number 1, revenge bedtime procrastination. Do you often find yourself putting off sleep for no reason? Maybe you like to put on another episode of your favorite show even though it's 1 in the morning and you have to get up early the next day. Revenge bedtime procrastination is a relatively new concept, and it describes the action of giving up sleep in order to have some free time to do things you enjoy. Whether you're watching videos, listening to music, playing games, or chatting online, it's a way to regain some personal time for yourself that you may not have during the day. Unfortunately, a consequence of that habit is sleep deprivation, which can be harmful to your mental and physical well-being. One specific effect of a lack of sleep is daytime sleepiness, which may be a cause of why you feel tired and exhausted all the time. Number 2, your diet. Have you ever paid attention to your diet? A possible cause of low energy may have to do with what and how much you eat. If you have a habit of skipping meals or tend to eat very little throughout the day, then your body may just not have enough fuel to keep you energized. At the same time, eating too much in one sitting can also make you feel tired and sluggish afterwards. What you eat can also affect your energy levels. A study in 2018 that looked at the relationship between dietary patterns and sleepiness levels found that those with a diet high in vegetables and fats had lower levels of sleepiness afterwards than those who had a diet high in processed meats, fast food, and soft drinks. Remember that balance is key. So the next time you're feeling unusually tired, take a look at the foods that you're eating. Number 3, too much screen time. How much time do you spend on your phone? Whether it's looking at your laptop, tablet, or mobile device, looking at the screen for too long can take a toll on your health. Too much screen time can lead to eye fatigue, where you experience tired eyes, difficulty concentrating, and headaches. On top of this, the blue light that comes from your screens stimulates a part of your brain that keeps you alert. As a result, it can affect and disrupt your natural sleep cycle, which may disturb your quality of sleep, making you feel more tired and exhausted the next day. Number 4, perfectionism. Are you always worrying over the tiniest mistakes? Perfectionism isn't necessarily all bad. In fact, many researchers tend to look at perfectionism in 2 dimensions. Perfectionistic strivings, which is when you set high standards or expectations for yourself, and perfectionistic concerns, which is when you're being overly critical of yourself and when you worry about making mistakes. Studies from 2018 and 2021 that looked at the relationship between perfectionism and burnout both found that it is high levels of perfectionistic concerns, not perfectionistic strivings, that can make you more prone to experience exhaustion and burnout. So if you notice that you tend to be very harsh and critical of yourself, try to remind yourself to be more compassionate and kind. The pressure you put on yourself may only end up hurting you in the long run. And number 5, toxic relationships. Have you ever felt exhausted after talking to a partner, friend, or family member? Perhaps they never respect your boundaries, are constantly pointing out your flaws and insecurities, or tend to make you feel guilty or bad about yourself whenever you're together. Whatever it is, being in an unhealthy relationship can harm your mental health and drain your energy. When you spend most of your time and effort to make them happy and to make the relationship work, when they're not putting in the same effort, it can feel frustrating, tiring, and exhausting. So if you find yourself in a lot of one-sided relationships, it may be time to reevaluate your bond with them. After all, you deserve to be in a healthy and supportive relationship. Are you feeling tired all the time? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with those who might find benefit in it. And don't forget to hit the notification bell icon to get notified whenever Psych2Go posts a new video. The references and studies used in this video are added in the description below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.